Hey, this is Max with Four Seasons Plumbing. Just a couple of tips on what you can do if you have issues with your disposer. This is a disposer we just removed from a client's home. First couple things we check are the reset button on the bottom. There's an electrical reset here, just like a breaker, and you just push that button there. The other thing we can do is check and see if it's jammed. They have a manual way to unjam these. This wrench is, we call them a disposer wrench, but it comes with the units. You just put it in the bottom here and free it up. If you don't have the wrench, the regular Allen key will work just as well. Hope that helps.